Hi, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I hope you all are having an amazing evening. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I sketched the designs for my clothing line. Believe it or not, this video was highly requested, but I never did a video like this because I didn't want to show you my designs before the line launches. But the particular design that I'm showing today, I decided I don't want it to be a part of my collection anymore. So I figured this would be the perfect time to show you guys how I sketch my designs.
Everybody come listen, it's Vlogmas, it's Christmas. Better check your list twice, make sure nothing missing. Kanise official on the mic, about to go on a sleigh ride. Before this video ends, make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay, so I like to get my non-head figure drawings off of Google. I used to draw them myself, but it takes so much less time if you can just like get a blank template. So this is just like an image I got off Google, and then I'll just draw my design on top. It takes so much time sketching out figures. So what you see me doing now is filling in any like gaps. On the Procreate, you can like drag the color in as you see me doing, but if there's any like open gaps, it'll fill out like the background area. So you just want to make sure that all of those gaps are closed in so you can add the skin tone. So that's what I'm doing right now. So hopping straight into the design today, I like to use the sketching tool, and I use 6B pencil because this one to me is the most similar to an actual pencil. And it just makes things so much easier because before I was used to sketching on paper. I used to do all of my designs on paper, but now I do all of them on my iPad just in case anything like was to ever happen to my sketchbook. I would be heartbroken because it has all of my designs in it for my clothing line. And you know, of course, on the computer, like on my iPad, I can save these files. Like I don't have to worry about anything happening, and I don't get cramps in my hand. When I was sketching on paper, I could legit only do one design a day because your fingers start to like cramp up. But now, like using my Procreate on my iPad, I can do like as many designs a day as I want because you don't have to apply any type of pressure. Like it's really easy and just very comfortable compared to drawing on paper. So right now, as you can see, I'm just sketching out like the shape of how I want it to be. I really wish I chose a thicker model for this particular design. I actually usually don't choose drawings this small. This model is definitely like a size 0, which is fine, but I like to draw bigger models because I feel like the general population is not a size 0. So as you can see, the design that I came up with has like a corset on the thigh. You guys will see the finished product this week because I am actually going to make this and walk you guys through how I make this design. So this top portion right here is going to be the red pattern that I have, the red snake prints pattern that I have. So right now I'm just coloring it in. I did switch to calligraphy and I'm using the monoline. I really like that one. That's what I like to use when my designs are done and I want to like just get a nice clean line drawn around everything. It's very smooth and I have it on like the tiniest size that it can be. So I'm just going in, you know, coloring out that red, all of that good stuff, and I am about to put my iPad on do not disturb, you guys, so you don't have to worry about any more notifications coming up. So I'm just going in. Right here is where it's going to be like the corset type thing, and I'm actually going to this isn't going to be a part of this design, but with the same fabric, like this will all be in the same collection. If I was making this a collection, I'm actually going to make a corset in the same material. So on this side, it's the same material, just in a a different color. It is alligator leather. I love alligator skin. I don't know how to draw it though, so in this video I'm actually going to do snake, but the actual material that I have is leather, alligator. So moving up to the top, I'm just drawing a black t-shirt that's, I think it will be really, really cute with this outfit. Again, this is not a part of my collection anymore. However, if you do this design, please make sure you give me my credits because this is an original design. But I really would like to see you guys, like, even if, like, aside from, you know, like giving me my credit, I would also really like to see if you guys make this. This would be really cute in different colors, and just seeing how, like, creative you can get with this look. As you can see, I was trying to, like, fill it all in, but it wasn't working, and I didn't feel like looking for, like, the spot that had the gap, so I just decided to just, like, manually color it in, which is what I'm doing. The only thing I really, really hate about, like, drawing with like a black color is with certain designs, like, you can't really see the different textures and stuff like that. I don't know if that's making sense to you guys, but you'll see what I'm talking about in the end, because I actually decided to add 2 areas of, like, the rope corset portion of my skirts. You guys will see that in a second. So drawing snake prints is actually very, very simple. You're basically just doing 3 diamonds, a big one and 2 small ones connected, and then right under that you just continue that same pattern all the way down, and I'll explain the next part when we get to that. But like I said, you're just going around. You guys can see what I'm doing. Y'all not blind. Y'all can see you guys can see the pattern that we have going here. So for the next part of the pattern, I'm just going in, and you're basically just going to do, like, scribbles around the diamonds, you know, all of that good stuff. This is adding texture, and you will see how it comes out in the end. But you can kind of already see it coming together now. Like I told you guys, I do not have snake prints. I'm using alligator prints, alligator skin, alligator leather. I love it so, so much. I actually have this fabric in 3 different colors, you guys, and I want to make so much stuff with it. I have it in black, I have it in red, and I have it in, like, this beautiful chrome color. It's so beautiful. But you guys will see this week. I'm going to make this outfit, and this is honestly not really my style anymore, so I'm probably going to do something with the actual skirt once it's done. I haven't quite decided yet if I just want to keep it for, like, my physical portfolio. I don't know, but just stay tuned for that. I'm thinking it's going to be like Vlogmas Day 6 or 7. We shall see. So after you go in with those scribbles, now you just want to do a whole bunch of little tiny dots, like, all around the diamonds. And this is just the last step into that snake prints. I actually kind of should have put, like, the second pattern a little bit closer to the first pattern, but it's okay. This is a sketch. It's not like how it's going to look in real life, so it's okay. So like I told you guys before, I decided that I really wanted to do, like, maybe 2 little roped corset things in my corset skirts. I haven't fully decided if I'm actually going to do this part in real life, but just looking at the design, I thought it would be really cool if I had like 2 gaps and 2 parts where it's like corseted. I think it's going to be really, really nice. We shall see if I decide to do this in real life. So this is what I was talking about earlier when I was saying like, I haven't really, it's not that I can't fully draw, but Procreate has so many different pencil types and drawing things on here. And even though I've had Procreate for almost a year, I still don't know the uses for like every single one and like which ones are best for certain effects. So as you can see, like in this drawing, it kind of looks like the shirt is like going into the skirt, and like the red, it's, you guys see what I'm talking about. You can't see where like the skirt ends and where the shirt starts. So that's why I took the gray and I went in and I just underlined it so you could see, you know, the separation, because she is styled with a black shirt. I could have switched her shirt to white, but then it would have blended in with the background, and then I could have switched it in with red, but then it would have blended with the rest of the skirts. So, and like I said, I think in real life, like if this is something I would actually wear, I would certainly pair it with a black shirt. So here is the final product. I really hope that you guys like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the video this week on how I bring this design to life.